The Honeywell Decor wired door chime features a charming wood-inspired face and glass for a contemporary look to fit your home's decor. This wired chime works with up to 3 doorbell push buttons to produce CD quality sound of 6 chime tunes with a fully adjustable volume. The chime can be placed vertically or horizontally and can run using a transformer or with batteries, so your chime will function even in the event of a power outage. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.